welcome back. Nature decor enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of steamy nature decor idea that will add a touch of elegance and sophistication. Tiny space from contemporary to rustic nature decor bring unique charm and real design. So let's explore the creative and innovative nature decor concept you can incorporate into your home. Our first nature decor idea is nature wall art. These eye-catching pieces come in various shapes, size, and design, making them perfect placement pieces for anyone. Abilities and intricate metal sculpture are a minimalist geometric pattern. Nature wall art instantly elevate your wall's aesthetic. Bring nature into with metal furniture. This create a durable contour not only hold your favorite plants but also serve as decorative elements transfer. Mix and match different plants to create a captivating green oasis inside your home. For those with a love for book and design, nature bookshelves are the way to go with modern bookshelves to showcase your favorite trees without adding just a part to your living space. Illuminate your home with natural lighting fixtures that exude elegance and style. LEDs, pendant light, candle, and floor lamps natural features create a warm and inviting embrace. Open up your living space creativity with matter room, diverse with versatile and artistic partition logo to refine the layout of your room while adding a touch of rustic flair. Timeless and stylish metal floors are not just keeping advice but also sticking decorative pieces. Objective are vintage inspired design for modern minimalist style to complement your home overall design. Add depth and qualification to your home, include natural mirror. Either it is large regulatory mirror for the living room, the smaller decent mirror from hallway, nature paint, mirror with blood treatment. Unless your artistic side would nature culture, from abstract creation to lifelike focus, nature culture serve as captivating focal point to enjoy. Update your furniture game and metal, present your fully flat nature furniture, chair, table, and even bed frame with nature elements and introduce an industrial to your decor. Transform your kitchen into the Henry Heaven nature decor nature that should anti-folder of board crack metal to kitchen and functionally add modern touch. We will explore a plethora of niches way to incorporate metal recent into your interior design effortlessly. elevating the style pattern of your home. Firstini wala jo minimizing clutter, we have curated assortment to remove an inspiring concept that will transform anyone into a chic contemporary Aussies solar drive and discover the endless possibilities that metal decor has to offer. There you have it, the fantastic metal decor idea that will remap your living space. As you prefer contemporary look, a rustic job, metal decor offer endless possibilities. Let your creativity run wild and watch as your home turns into a mesmerizing work of art. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, watch and subscribe for